Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Perplexity versus you. Perplexity AI is a conversational AI search engine designed to give you direct answers with sources, while Com is a search engine offering customizable results and an integrated AI assistant. The core difference lies in their approach to information retrieval and how they present it to you, shaping your overall search experience. We will explore these distinctions in detail. Perplexity AI truly shines when you need quick, verifiable answers to complex questions. It synthesizes information from multiple sources, providing a concise summary rather than just a list of links. Users often appreciate its ability to cite sources directly within the answer, which significantly enhances trustworthiness. This makes it an excellent tool for research and factual queries, potentially saving you many minutes of searching. Com, on the other hand, offers a highly personalized search experience. You can actively choose your preferred sources and even block or promote specific domains, tailoring your results precisely. Its integrated AI assistant, UChat, provides conversational answers and can even help generate various types of content. It also brings together different apps and tools directly into its interface, offering a more comprehensive and customized browsing environment. So, which one is better? Perplexity AI is generally ideal for those seeking fast, verifiable answers and in-depth research. Com is often preferred for personalized browsing, content generation, and a more diverse range of search needs. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your specific search intent and personal preferences. We recommend trying both to discover which one best fits your unique workflow and daily tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.